Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to our channel. Presenting jewelry tips. And tip number 2 is always check the jewelry piece you select should not contain any kind of defect. There can be various kinds of defects such as gaps, holes or cracks in the article. Gold cadi used to join two pieces of an article is thin. In case of chains and bracelets, check if there are any twists in the chain. Hook or locking system is proper. And carefully check the chain is not breaking from any point. In case of rings and earrings, check the ring is in proper shape, the design is perfect and there are no gaps, holes or cracks. And if earrings have drops, then check that the cadi used to join drops is heavy and not open. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more jewelry tips and subscribe if you are new to our channel.